China's aviation engineers have never been too proud to copy a good idea from abroad, usually modified with Chinese characteristics. Perhaps it is not surprising that they appear to have devised a Growler of their own. The aircraft in question is a variant of the two-seat J-16 Red Eagle strike plane itself, a Chinese copy of the Russian Sukhoi Su-30MKK Flanker. The two-seat Red Eagle is roughly comparable to the American F-15E, and improves upon the Russian original with new avionics including an Active Electronically Scanned Array radar AESA, the current state-of-the-art in fighter-based radar technology. While China has had major problems developing reliable high-performance jet engines, it's more successful at producing advanced electronics, perhaps due to crossover with its civilian electronic sector. The J-16D variant D in the designation comes from the Chinese word for electronic. AESA made its first flight on December 18, 2015. Photos were released to the public 3 days later. Let's go over the admittedly short list of what the photo tells us. The J-16D has had its 30mm cannon and infrared sensor removed. This is not a plane intended to get into short-range dogfights. Instead, there are several new antennas and conformal electronic warfare arrays along the fuselage. The J-16D's nose radome is reshaped, possibly to accommodate a more advanced AESA radar. Most importantly, new electronic warfare pods are mounted on the wingtips that resemble the American ALC-218 electronic support measure pods on the wingtips of the 018 grams Growler. These are electromagnetic sensors that can analyze radar frequencies and help determine the position of radar transmitting devices, data that will be highly useful both for jamming radars and for targeting them for destruction. That's all that's known for Sarevplav, after all, is not in the habit of giving detailed briefings about its latest fighters. Let's move on now to the realm of plausible speculation.